everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a pesto, and I'm going to make it from these this is the greenery from the carrots. I have riverford vegetables coming to my house every week. I've had that for years, and this video has nothing to do with them whatsoever. I just love their service. Everything's organic, everything is lovely, normally produced fairly close to where I am. Well, I am in the middle of London, so I've heard people using this green stuff for salads and pestos, but I've not really tried it. And every time we get these carrots, my husband cut it off and throw this away straight away. But this time I managed to actually save it, so I'm going to make a pesto from that. And Riverford always sort of give you some great recipes, and this week there was a recipe for pesto made by this, but I'm going to change it slightly. We're going to keep the proportions because I'm going to make it obviously gluten-free but also nut-free, because I want one of my kids to have it and he is allergic to nuts. I'm also making it vegan, so I bought some cheese, and this is from Tesco. Tesco's got a lot of vegan cheeses at the moment, but this was the only one that was more like a parmesan, a bit hard, and also it's already like in this sort of parmesan style. And it's their own brand, free from, so I'm just going to try that. And instead of nuts, I'm using a mixture of pumpkin seeds and also some linseeds, only because that's all I had. So, but I'm sure that will work well. So I'm sort of following the Riverford recipe in the sense that I use the proportions. So you have to have a little bit of basil, and I think that will work really well. And also obviously the greenery, and we're just going to use the fine stuff here, the leaves, not the actual stems. And here's the pumpkin seeds. And the cheese in a close-up, it looks like this. And it smells very cheesy. A little bit of pepper, salt, and a garlic clove. We're not going to use the actual carrots, it's just that I like to keep them there because that keeps the greenery fresh for a bit longer. And here is the linseeds. And also we need a lot of olive oil. Instead of using a knife, I'm just going to cut these off. I love using a scissor when you can. For example, cutting up pizzas. Scissors. Might not look professional, but it's so efficient. So easy. And here it is. Bring out the food processor and add the carrot tops, a handful of basil, the cheese, the pumpkin seeds full of lovely zinc. So important, especially important for teenagers. Linseed, a garlic clove, quite big, so good for you as well, especially if you eat it really quickly after you blitzed it, but that might not happen. But the quicker you eat the raw garlic, the better, because the really good stuff in there starts to disappear when it comes in contact with air. Pepper and salt. And here we go. And the olive oil. Let it just do its thing, and then pour a little bit of milk. After just like a minute, maybe even less, it's ready. Let's have a try. Bloody hell, this was really good. Really, really nice. Quite strong in its taste. I'm going to double dip because we're going to eat this shortly, so who cares, and it's so yummy. Love it. A little bit of cheese and I get happy, but I can't eat ordinary cheese. Has to be vegan for me. I get a headache. Listen, I'm going to go really quickly because my teenager has come home after a week away, so I'm super excited. He just walks through the door. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please come back next time for another video, and have a fabulous week. And try this recipe. It's lovely. And I love that fact that you can use loads of everything on a carrot, not just throw it away, but just actually make something of it. So yeah, we're helping the planet and ourselves, and it's good to have a big variety of different vegetables and stuff that you eat, not just relying on the same things all the time, because then we've got a more chance of getting loads of different type of nutrition that we really need. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and again have a lovely week, and I will see you next time. Bye!